Hello, this is Poonam Singh. I'm a life strategy counselor. I teach life skills. I've been in the travel, hospitality, and events industry for close to 3 decades. My forte is the weddings market and working within the wedding space for events, for skilling, for special capsules. In the last couple of weeks around COVID, I've been sitting and reflecting on what one could do, which was new in the wedding space. And it occurred to me that the one thing that we have a crying need for is on how to prepare our girls, our daughters, our sisters, our wards for life after they get married. We spend a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of money on focusing on their marriage, all the customs, all the occasions, all the jewelry, the clothes, the food, and gifts, and pampering of the bridal couple, the guests, etc. But one of the most important things that we need to ensure is their future happiness. Are we making them post marriage prepared? As parents, most Indian parents I know don't really talk about this aspect with their daughters. Um, the girls are very, very loved, very pampered, almost spoiled in their maternal homes. And once they get married, whether they are going to be living separately with their husbands in the same city or in a separate city, or whether they're going to be in a joint family system with an extended family, managing the entire family, helping, pitching in, looking after the staff, coping with different temperaments, different people. It's a challenge at the best of times. It's worse, I think, than being in a new office, starting right from scratch. Because as a bride, most families assume, incorrectly of course, that you come in with that special switch which allows you to understand the likes, the dislikes, the DNA of just about everybody in the family and manage them on autopilot virtually from ground zero. But that's not the way it happens, folks. The girl is just one person, and the entire family is on the opposite side of the fence, so as to speak. And very rarely do the brides get a preparation period. Many times, what happens is because they have not been advised on how to proceed, they tend to get off the wrong foot, and virtually before starting, their honeymoon is over. So, I think we need to focus on this key result area. What is the biggest thing that we would like for our daughters? Their future happiness in their new marital home. Nothing could be more important than that. Then, don't you think that it's a very valid exercise preparing them for married life? How to manage a house, how to manage and get along with in laws, how to cope with stress, how to manage staff, money management, time management, different temperament management, how to manage stress, what all to tolerate vis a vis strife, and where to draw the line. These are just some of the elements that a new bride should be familiar with: physical safety, hygiene, the temperament of the house, things like decor, kitchen management, And cooking is just the tip of the iceberg. It goes much beyond that. It could be the social milieu, it could be how to entertain and be entertained within her husband and in law's new social circle, how to dress appropriately, talk appropriately, and still retain her own individuality, and much, much more. So, should this strike a chord with you? Should it resonate? अगर ये चीज़ आपको लगती है कि आपकी बेटी के लिए आगे जाने के लिए काम आएगी, please do get in touch with me. They are very basic capsules. You will find me on Instagram, on YouTube, as well as on Facebook. My contacts are given over there. I work with some 150 pan India wedding planners, so a lot of them would also be aware of my capsules. And in any case, you can get in touch with me directly, even if you're the bride herself, and especially so. So, thank you guys. We'll be looking forward to hearing from you and making you marriage ready. Bye.